Good morning. Welcome to my Forex market analysis for 11th of August, and it's Tuesday today. So let's start off with DXY. We got a sweep from here on daily, and we have a drawn liquidity on this. That means price wants to reach their Y because it's a swing point and there's a fair value gap. So price wants to go there and then come down, or it could just break to the downside. Yesterday, I was expecting a candle to open high, low, close, but we did not get the candle at all. So let's look at 4 hour. What do we have? On 4 hour time frame, I was looking at this bearish fair value gap for price to react from here and then go to the downside, which it failed. And if I look at today's price action, yesterday's price action, I do not see any bullish or bearish fair value gaps. So I cannot think of any trade setup ideas here. Uh, the reason being, I want open, high, low, and close, or open, high, low, close from a 4 hour fair value gap, which is my zone from which I can buy or sell. I do not see any of it in yesterday's candle. So I don't have any bias for DXY for today. It could either continue going up or come back down here and then go up. It can do anything. So no bias for DXY as of today. Now EU. So for EU, we had drawn liquidity from this point, so which was could be a sweep or anything, and the other drawn liquidity is here, which is very far, and the other one is this, which is also very far. So yesterday I was expecting price to open low, high, close, even though there was a sweep and I was aware of this sweep, but I took a trade here in London, New York. I had this uh, fair value gap. Now, if you look at this, this was my swing point, which I was waiting for. Asian sweep it, close above, London went above. New York open, it sweep Asia liquidity, it sweep London liquidity, and then try to go up. So I took a long here with my stop loss here, and it got hit in next two candles. So this was a loss for me yesterday. And after that, I did not take any trades. But for today, as same as DXY, I do not see any bullish or bearish fair value gaps either way. So I'm not sure which way price wants to go. Does it wants to just stay here and then go up, or push to the downside or any other thing? So what I think is the best would be for price to break out of this high range to go up or do something else to go down. But for today, I have no idea new, so I'll be shifting it to this. Let's look at GU. So if you can see, EU and GU, they both work like same. They both move very similar. And EU just kept going down. Meanwhile, GU yesterday, it kept going up. So trade in GU would have been profitable, but GU did not give any trade. I got a trade in EU, that's why I took it. So what do we see here? Daily bullish flow. Uh, we have this candle. I have no idea. It could be a sweep back in, or it could be a close back above. Let's wait for it. On 4 hourly, the order flow is clearly to the upside. Price wants to go up, it's making higher highs and higher lows, and the bullish wave will again. Now, for price to go up, we have to look, and today's candle should be open, go low, then high and close. So open, go low, high, and then close, which is it will make a pullback. But do we have any point from where it could make a pullback? Meaning, do we have any fair value gaps here? We do not. So same as other two, there's no fair value gap from where we can buy. So the price could go up. Let me show you about yesterday. So this was we had this fair value gap yesterday. We had this swing point, which price just a shy bit of it in Asian session. Then London Open, we go up. New York sweeps London liquidity, and then we continue going up. So there was no trade here yesterday. But for today, I need some kind of fair value gap on 4 hour time frame for me to buy from that area. So because there is no area or zone for me to buy, that's why I won't be taking any trades. So both of them are confusing just because DXY does not have any bearish fair value gap. There's no bearish fair value gap. There's no bullish. So I'm confused if price wants to go up or down. So that's why I won't be taking any trade today. Yesterday was negative 1 hour trade for me, so I took a loss. But today I won't be taking any trades. Let's see what market provides on Wednesday. Till then, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.